Okay, I'm making this this Uncle Ozgood's microwave popcorn on the cob, and actually it comes with the cob right here. So they say it goes in the bag, and I fold it up and it goes in the microwave. So I'm gonna do that, and I'll show you what it looks like. So I'm continuing the instructions. I don't have a videographer like some people do. So I got the cob in there, and it says to fold open the ends of the sack 3 times, place it in the middle of the microwave on high for 2 minutes. When the popping slows to 2 to 3 seconds apart, stop the microwave. So I'm gonna do that, and I'll tell you what I find. So the microwave's going, and the popcorn's inside in there, and I suppose it's gonna pop. How cool is that? I'm going to prepare some butter. I just want to show you, yeah, it's going crazy in there. Like, it all went off at once. It's like, boom! Uh-oh, it's opening. Look at that. Alright, cool. Almost there. I'm making some butter, melting it. My stove is not usually that dirty, but there's this one guy who uses it, and I clean it all the time. Uh-oh. Oh, it's falling out. Look at that. That looks pretty dang good. Whoa, I see the cob in there. It's empty. How funny is that? Wow, that looks really cool. So there you go. People in Kansas are not really crazy. They're actually, oops, smart. Turn this off. Oh my goodness, I got popcorn everywhere, so I will clean that up. Oh, look at this. I'm gonna go watch TV. Sherry Bartlett. And I have to shout out to my girlfriend Jill. Kansas City Chiefs. You guys are looking good. We'll see you in the playoffs. Thank you, my ornie pal. I love you.
Katrina and I definitely have way different relationships with our mother. Me and Katrina's issues a little more, and if anybody feels left out, it's me. Mom, this is
Love it.